guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. I'm back with another video, so let's get started. It's wedding season, a lot of weddings are happening right now, so I decided to create a minimalist guest look, so let's get started. Also, I have my mirror over here, just in case if you think I'm looking elsewhere, it's just that I'm looking at my mirror. Because I'm a little blind, so I have to deep dive into my mirror. As I had already done my skin prep, so I just dived in directly to the makeup part. First, I applied inside primer on my complete face, and then I took this inside color corrector. As I had a lot of acne marks, like the red ones, I took green color and started applying it on all the red spots that I had, like complete face. And then I took this Mama Earth foundation that I generally use and I started dabbing on my entire face. So applying this green color corrector, it helps in even toning. And then it's time for some concealer, and generally this is how I apply concealer dot wise. So under my eyes, near my nose, near my lips, like on my forehead, and I started just applying them like dabbing, dab, and one or kutti line below my contouring. Next, after concealer, I do my eyebrows before the contouring part. So I already have very bushy hair, so I'm just going to comb it once, fill in the gaps, and I again just comb it again. I'm not doing very dark brows because I already have kind of dark and bushy hair. And once I'm done with it, next I'm gonna go with contouring. I also do it near my eyes to give that sharp finish eyes because I have kind of little medium big eyes. I also do it on my nose this way because it kind of makes my nose like perfect sharp, because I kind of have little gundu mooku, so I kind of contour it in that way. Once I'm done contouring, I do my eye makeup. This palette is from Amazon. I have put the link down. I've taken the first base color, a complete skin tone. I mean, probably it might be a little darker than my skin tone, but I've taken it as my first base. I've applied it complete on my eyes, like full eyes, and I've smudged it well. Once I'm done, I took this orangish nude color and I started concentrating more on the outer corner of my eyes and in the center. Like, I did not completely apply it, but I made sure the color is more on the ends and just started smudging them to the full eyes. Like, do you get it? No. Also, by the way, what all products I've been using in this video, I have put all the product links in the description box below, so go and check it out. None of these products are sponsored. It's all my own money that I took this products, and it's all the products that I generally use, so just in case you wanted to buy. Okay, once I'm done with this orange nude color, I'm gonna go with this brownish chocolate brown nude color and just concentrate mostly on the outer corner of my eyes, because like the full eyes, it's gonna look very weird and very dark, because I have planned a little nudish red look, but mostly just nude for my eyes. So I'm just gonna go on the outer corner. As it's not that very dark, I am kind of just smudging in. Like, I wantedly did not take it completely dark. I've chumma touched it and I'm just putting it on my eyes. So next I'm going to take the same color, make my brush kutti because I don't have a kutti brush. With the same brush, I'm just going to apply below my eyes. It's going to make your eyes like look pop out and look very beautiful and shining and all of that. So once I'm done with that, I'm taking this kajal. Oh, by the way, I took this kajal from Zudia. I've never tried. Hopefully it doesn't ruin my eyes or doesn't burn my eyes, because otherwise the whole eye makeup will go and again I have to do. But anyways, I did not. After kajal, I'm taking this Lakme eyeliner, which I've been using since ages. So I have just done a minimal winged eyeliner. Oh, by the way, I have this one eyeliner hack that I just recently got to know. I'll be putting a shot on that, so make sure you subscribe to stay tuned. Once I'm done with the eyeliner, I am going to take this mascara, which I later realized it was dried up, so I ended up using another mascara. I also have false lashes, but I don't know why. Every time I do this makeup, I'll be like, okay, next time I'll use false lashes. This time only, mascara is enough. I don't know. Every time I'll just end up using mascara. Hopefully I use false lashes next time. Anyways, once I'm done with mascara, I am going to, oh, by the way, I did one eye, I'll do another also same way. Okay, this is done. Oh, meanwhile, I forgot to add golden glitter, so I added that meanwhile I was doing the other eyes. Okay, next it's time for baking. I have taken sugar, setting powder. I am going to let it bake on my face. Meanwhile, I'm going to do my lips. I'm taken Miss Clary's brown nudish color. I'm going to line my lip. It's not going to be a sharp line, it's going to be like smudgy line so that it's easy to smudge. Then I'm going to take this Miniso's extremely dark red lipstick and apply only to my lower lip so that when I start merging them, it kind of settles down and looks nudish red. Otherwise it's going to be like hitting your eyes kind of red. So once I'm done with my lipstick, I'm going to take off the baking powder, and next step it's for blush. I generally like to use the same eyeshadow color as my blush, so I'm not using any other product as a blush. Whatever eyeshadow color I had used, I'm just gonna go little mix and I'm just going to apply the same thing as my blush. Also, I've just showed most of the the makeup that I'm doing only on one side, because I just want to waste your time by showing the same thing on the other side. So it's just showing you one side. Once I'm done with this, I'm gonna take this Insight 3D highlighter. As I've planned a goldenish red colored saree, I've taken golden highlighter. So I have applied on my nose, near my cheek area, and also my upper lips a little. So when you click photos, it looks like, oh, blooming. Okay, it's time for some hair and dress makeover. And yeah, this is it. So I've just wore this Kutti gold with hangings with a little poof, this pearl to match it. So this is the look I've created. What do you think? If you have any mix with any red saree, I think this look goes perfectly because it's a mix of a little nude with red. If you like this video, give a big fat thumbs up and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because it really means a lot to me. I'll meet you all in my next video. Until then, bye.